Hi, I'm Jim Reinhart with Tekvox. Tekvox is the originator of the drop-in AV system. That's a factory-manufactured classroom or conference room system that's built, programmed, and tested in our factory before we break it down and ship it with a color-coded installation guide. Nothing easier in the industry. The underpinning of drop-in AV system is HDBaseT technology. In particular, we're huge fans of 5PLAY HDBaseT technology. And you'll find in all of our classroom switchers, from our 2-input 5PLAY switcher, our 6-input 5PLAY switcher, and our 8-input 5PLAY switcher, all share the ability to transmit audio, video, USB, network, and control, as well as power over a single cable. And it's phenomenally helpful in reducing the installation cost and increasing the value in our system. We have most recently applied 5PLAY to our new UltraCam, which is a 4K auto-tracking AI-based camera, where we have used 5PLAY to transport all of the functions of the camera down to the lectern, to where we send power up the cable and we get network, HDMI, USB, analog audio in and out with a single cable that can reach up to 300 feet. It's absolutely amazing product, and I'm going to show you what it takes to install an UltraCam. Here's the receiver unit that sits in the lectern or podium that provides power up to the camera and tunnels network, HDMI, USB-C, as well as control, and allows you to embed or de-embed analog audio at the receiver. The entire installation process for this camera, which can be up to 300 feet away, is connecting up an HDBaseT cable. I hook up the power and the USB, and I've installed a state-of-the-art 4K auto-tracking camera. That is the power of HDBaseT 5PLAY and how we use it.